O ayan na! O ayan na!
You want to take a photo, take it fast, please. Good luck tonight.
would you mind singing a song?
Yes! Let's go!
Every time you look at me, I touch. Everybody present, every touch. Love you, baby, tell you nothing. Nobody does it like you. Na na na.
Hello? Hello? Oh, so my favorite track from our EP is Step Back. It screams confidence, it screams, you know, fierce and Black Cat energy.
Ate Malay, gusto mong giniling? Oo! Sige, giling-giling na! Giling-giling!
Giling-giling, giling-giling, giling nyo na magunaw ang taba.
Thank you guys.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Opo, hindi na po namin alam kung ano. Sige, saan ba ako? Okay, dito. Hindi pa namin alam kung ano pa dapat. Ano mo yun, nararamdaman halo-halo na po. Pero, sige, try natin. Let's go. First of all, thank you, Billboard PH, for this award. For 3 consecutive years, Billboard PH has always supported us as an artist. Started in 2024 as Rising Stars of the Year, 2025 as Women of the Year, and this year, Powerhouse honoree. Thank you so much. Alam niyo po, sa totoo lang, we didn't fully understand what a Powerhouse award really meant. Pero kanina habang pinapakinggan namin yung meaning niya, nakakakilabot po kasi there are moments where we doubt ourselves. Tama po si Miss Yang. Talagang, there are moments where we doubt ourselves, pero itong moment na to, it reminded us na ang success, hindi yan na ma-measure sa numbers. Hindi yan sa dami ng sumisigaw sa'yo, hindi yan sa laki ng followers mo, wala yan doon. It's about consistency. It's about showing up every day kahit mahirap. It's about creating songs even when no one is listening. It's about keep going when no one is watching. And it's about standing strong, especially as women in this industry. Thank you ABS-CBN. Thank you to our music label, Star Music. Maraming salamat po sa brands na naniniwala sa amin. Pen Shop, thank you. And to our Blooms na talagang all out sumuporta. Thank you po. And of course, again, thank you so much Billboard PH for always uplifting Filipino artists and Filipino music. Again, we are Beanie at mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino.
Everyone, say, how do you want to cheer? Like, Beanie, Beanie, Beanie. Just like that. We're going to keep this energy when we film this punch challenge.
Ang gaganda, oh my God. Oh my God. Umanyeka. Ang gaganda. Stacy Ella.
Second to appreciate those vocals, right? Yeah! Alright, now before we get into the event, let's take a step back and talk about the surprise that you prepared for Bloom. That's right, there is a surprise for Blooms today. Aya, would you like to share the news?
Yeah, so the surprise today is that we're gonna shoot a blush challenge.
Maloy, can you show the fans the first pose?
Thank you guys.
We had such an amazing...
Kwento lang po ako, sorry po. Kasi kanina, nakakakilabot siya kasi pabalik po kami galing Mojave Stage. Tapos, sa artist compound po, edi syempre, ang titingkad naman kasi talaga ng suot namin. Tapos ang dami po kasi tao sa labas. So habang naglalakad po kami, syempre, sobrang pagod na kami, gano'n. Tapos parang nagbubulungan sila. Tapos parang, that's Beanie. Tapos yung iba, congrats! Oh, you did so great!
No videos, please. No videos.
Alin?
Yung parang may marshal or sa security. No videos, please. Kasi parang nag-video sila. Di ba?
Sabi ni Joanna kanina habang kasi tinitignan na rin namin, parang ano nangyayari? Sabi niya, guys, may nagbago ba sa atin? Bakit lahat binabati kami? Literally, lahat ng mga tao dito sa artist compound. Cheer kami na parang, guys, congrats girls, you did well, mga ganun.
Hi guys! Finally. This is our
Si Colette, Tito with Aya.
si Ate Maloy.
Andon. Tulog pa, lola mo.
Hi! Hello! Kumusta ka naman?
Siya nila naiwan.
Yeah, can you give your plate? We're cooking. For the hot sausages. Sa Pilipinas, hotdog lang yan
Freshly picked strawberries from the land of India. Sarap lang. May buns mga strawberries.
One, two, three. And move. Original blocking. Original blocking. And move. Move. Jump out of my head. Carrera, which is this. Which
괜찮아요.
Four. Wala pa.
Four?
Mga four.
Malulod sa ating mga...
Kanina bago kami tumuntong ng stage, hindi na po namin alam kung... Tanggalin na. Hindi namin alam kung...
Iyak na nakipamilya si ano. Gusto ko si Stock sa
Hindi guys, umiyak rin si Stock sa akin. Sabi niya, pwede bang makikuya? Tapos umiyak talaga siya.
Mine would be off my face. Cause I'm off my face. Cause I'm off my face.
Ma'am, isa nga pong sunny side, fried outside, but soft inside. Okay, madam.
What? Sorry, can you say that one more time?
Yun lang.
Fried outside and then soft inside. Okay.